Hello guys, I'm Lewin, and today, let me teach you something about Unity. Now I'm gonna put this in my game Banana, but it will be used for Unity users like as a tip, I guess. So let me just show you. Alrighty, so what you want to do is go to find game control. Go to for my Baldi people, just find school, which is right here, and then after that, click this. So you should click this. And you see right here it says game controller. Here it says game controller. It says script on the inspector, which is on the top right of your screen. Or that's how you do it. You right click this and then you click edit script. Or so normally whatever default thing you have opened up that is basically you can also use Notepad. I use Visual Studio. But you should scroll down. Just basically look for public void exit game. Ignore this. This is what it should look like normally. Ignore the audio listener. I'll give. Basically, this is what it should look like right now. And that's where we're gonna change that. You just type in. There's one simple meaning to do. You type in time.timescale equals 1f. And then don't forget to hit this save button. This will make it that it'll compile when you go back to Unity. And if you did it correct, try going on the pause. Try. Now if you did it correct, you should see that normally this right here would not be moving. But since I added that time scale 1f, it's moving now. And that's basically all you had to do. If you're wondering why there's a lot of cuts, I stuttered a lot, okay? So I hope this helped you. Please subscribe, like, and bell for notifications, that sort of thing. I stutter a lot.